How can we actively gather leads with AI and forward customer inquiries to us when needed? That's what this video is about, specifically with Zendesk. It can also be done with other tools or simply with an email inbox. To show what it looks like, we will now pose a sample question to the AI, namely whether a snowboard can be customized, for example with a personal name. It should be noted that there is no information about this in our shop. That means the AI will now refer to our support email address. Of course, this is a problem. The customer is obviously interested in buying. If they never write us an email, then we have no way to actively contact the customer. We want to change that in our app. For this, we switch to the Routing tab. If you haven't seen our video on routings yet, feel free to watch part 1 first. Now, it is the case that the fallback routings define what happens when the AI does not know what to do next, then exactly this fallback is used. And here, we now want to say, collect the lead and forward inquiry. And up here in lead forwarding email address, we enter our Zendesk email. With that, everything would already work. To make this even better, we will create an additional custom routing. For that, we scroll down here and select New Routing and enter now, Customization/Personalization. In this case, please collect the lead accordingly. And for custom instruction, we now specifically say, please enter the request for customization in the notes field, then someone from our team will contact you. We save everything and now switch back to the chat. I'm copying the chat message now and will make the same request again. And we see now the form is displayed where the customer can enter their data here. With the note, please specify your request here in the note field. And that's exactly what we're doing now. We want to immortalize Fly on the back of the board. We submit it and now receive the info that someone will contact me shortly. With that, we can now switch to Zendesk and update this ticket view. And we can already see a new request from our example customer with all the information and the entire chat history. And we have the option to respond directly to the customer's request here. We generally recommend enabling collect lead and forward inquiry on the fallback route. It may already be the case for you, depending on when you installed our app, and for order placement, so that important leads are not lost. Here it is also possible to adjust accordingly. For example, now refer to the form and say that the customer should please enter the desired products in the notes field. Then we can save the whole thing. Important for all shops that sell to customers in the European Union. Because customer data is actively collected here, you must update your privacy policy. We have created a template for this. You can simply switch to our blog via this link here, and there at the very bottom, find our privacy policy template. Of course, this is without acknowledgement of any legal obligation, and especially not legal advice. If we were a Shopify store, we would simply include this template in our privacy policy. And that way, all customers will be informed accordingly. I hope this is helpful for you. If you have questions about routings, about the lead feature, then feel free to write to us anytime, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye.